Kiran Makkar, and today I'm going for a cue card as seen in the speaking test of the IELTS. Uh, that is uh, that is a test for the uh, to judge the level of English language. Describe a long car journey you went on, where you went, what you did at this place, who you went there with. Explain why you went on that journey by car. I have not been on many long journeys by car. Whenever we have to go on a long journey, we generally go by bus or train or by air. Here I am going to talk about a long journey which I had by car. Last year, my cousin came from Canada and he wanted to see Rajasthan. My maternal aunt and uncle live in Jaipur, so we decided to visit Jaipur in Rajasthan. It was too late for train reservation as my cousin had come for 2 weeks only. My uncle has a Toyota Innova, which is a seven-seater car, and so my father borrowed it from him for a week. We were six members: my father, my mother, my brother, my cousin, my uncle, and I. We started at 6 a.m. During our journey, we halted at many places. We first stopped at Murthal, where there is a famous motel, Jhilmil Dhaba, where we had our lunch. Then we stopped at Delhi for tea. We had minor halts at one or two more places. Finally, we reached my aunt's house by 7 p.m. She had prepared sumptuous dinner for us. The next morning, we went for sightseeing. We saw many places such as the Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Amer Fort, Maharani Palace, and so on. The next day, we went to Chokhidhani. This place has been the mirror of Rajasthani culture since 1989. We learned a lot about Rajasthani culture over there. Live dances and music performances go on throughout the evening. Dinner is included in the entry ticket, and so we had dinner over there only. The next day, we did some shopping. We enjoyed the hospitality of my aunt and uncle. We returned home after 1 week. This road trip to Rajasthan will always hold pleasant memories for me. So, this is my idea of this cue card. You can speak about anything. This will just give you ideas how to elaborate your um cue card and speak for 2 minutes on it. Then let me now discuss some follow up questions. Why do people like to have private cars? Well, private cars are very comfortable. They take you from destination to destination. You don't have to wait for the bus or the train. Moreover, if there is an elderly or a sick person at home, it's very comfortable to take them. Um, if you have to take them to a doctor or some other place. So, private cars are now no longer a luxury, they have become a necessity. What are the differences between bicycles and private cars? Well, bicycles are much cheaper. They are environmentally friendly. They don't use any petrol or diesel and don't emit any harmful gases. Bicycles um, also help to keep you fit and they don't need much parking space. Cars, on the other hand, are very useful when the whole family has to go somewhere together. Uh, Elderly people cannot ride a bike, so for them, cars are better. And um, cars are four wheelers, so the balance is better. And on a bicycle, you have to learn how to ride one. So these are the differences. Is it a good thing that everyone has their own car? Well, it is definitely not a good thing that every person has his or her own car, because already the number of cars on the roads is too much, and this is not good for the um, movement of the traffic. There is too much congestion on the roads and there is too much pollution. So I think there should be one car in one family, which is enough. Every person of the family having his or her own car is definitely not a good thing. How to buy private cars in India? Well, you go to the showrooms of these automobile people, like go a showroom of Maruti or Hyundai or other such showrooms, and then you can take the test drive, and then you have to manage the money for the car. You have to decide on your budget. Then you have to think whether you have all the money or you need to go for some loan from the bank. So this is the way to buy a private car in India. What's the difference between men and women's preference on cars? Well, nowadays there are no gender differences as far as preference on cars is concerned. Uh, Both are driving the same types of cars, and but generally women like smaller cars because the smaller cars are easier to handle, and finding a parking for a small car is also not a big issue. What will cars be like in the future? Well, I think in the future the cars will run on alternative sources of energy like solar power, and exactly what the future has in store for us, it's very difficult to say. But as far as I can see, there'll be more energy efficient cars which will be causing less pollution. And do many families own private cars in India? Well, yes, many families own private cars in India because uh, there are cars to suit every pocket nowadays. So many families now own private cars. Cars are very convenient. And I hope my ideas help you for this cue card. If you are really helped, do not forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my channel for more such ideas. Thank you.